Hey everyone. Previously, we have seen the example of trace of polar curve, and that was r is equal to a plus b cos theta, and when a was greater than b. Now here only changes a is less than b. Okay, let's try to draw the curve. Okay, so first thing you are going to verify is symmetry. This example is same as the previous one, so symmetry is not going to change here, right? Only the condition is different, so it will make changes in other cases, but symmetry will remain as it is. What you did in that case, that replacing theta by minus theta. So what you got, r is equal to a plus b cos of minus theta, which is same as cos theta. So this is a plus b cos theta. So original curve back, so that means this is symmetric about initial line, right? So symmetric about initial line. Correct? Then the second case is pole. To verify whether this passes through pole or not, so directly straight away take r is equal to 0. So what you have, 0 is equal to a plus b cos theta. So minus a by b is the value of cos theta, right? But is this possible? See what they have given, ki a is less than b, right? So a by b is going to be less than 1, right? If a by b is less than 1, and you know that cos theta ranges between minus 1 to 1. If a by b is less than 1, say let's take 0.5, then cos theta will be minus 0.5. So surely since minus 1 is the lower bound, minus 0.5 is the possible value of cos theta. So this case is possible, right? So therefore, the given curve passes through pole. Right, so since this is passing through pole, for which value I am getting r is equal to 0, and that is cos inverse of minus of a by b. So therefore, what is the tangent at pole? Theta is equal to cos inverse of minus a by b is the tangent at pole, right? Tangent at pole. And that's it, right? And the next thing is to figure out what must be the table so let's take the same values again, theta and r. This is the value for 0. Then next thing is 30 degree, then 60 degree, and continue like the same one, right? So this is 0, then pi by 6, then pi by 4, then pi by 3, then pi by 2, then 120, that is 2 pi by 3, then 3 pi by 4, then 5 pi by 6. Note that this is also one angle, so you can just include that angle anywhere. I'll just include the angle before pi. Okay, so that is theta is cos inverse of minus of a by b, and then the next value is pi. Okay, you can include anywhere, just for convenience I'm including here that angle. Okay, so let's try to figure out values. All the values will be same as the previous table only, so just this value will be a little bit different, right? Just try to figure out this. So what is the value, what was the value at 0, a plus b, then a plus b into 0.86, then a plus 0.70 into b, then a plus 0.5 into b, then a minus 0.5 into b, then a minus 0.70 into b, then a minus 0.86 into b. Now note that when you substitute cos inverse of a by b in the equation, r is equal to a plus b cos theta, what you have, theta is cos inverse of minus a by b. So this is cos inverse of a by b, cos and cos inverse, that will get cut, and what remains, a minus a by b, b will get cancelled, so what remains, a minus a, so that is nothing but 0, and at pi it is again a minus b, at pi it is again a minus b, like this, right? So that's why it passes through origin, so somewhere I'm getting 0, so at this point it will touch the pole, right? And yeah, and let's go to next part, that is tangents at other point. Right, so for that what you need to figure out, tan phi, which is r upon dr by d theta, so that is nothing but a plus b cos theta divided by minus b sin theta. So again, when you substitute theta is equal to 0, what you have, theta is equal to 0, so you have tan phi again becoming infinity, so phi will be pi by 2, same case, and when you are substituting theta is equal to pi, you are getting again tan phi infinity, so again phi must be pi by 2, same case as previous, okay, there is no change, okay. Then asymptote will be also same as previous, for no theta, there exists no theta such that r is becoming infinity, so there is no asymptote again, right, no asymptote. Okay, and let's go to the next rule, that is region. Here again I am going to figure out region of presence. How to figure out that? That is cos theta lies between minus 1 to 1. The region will be same. That is, what is r? R is a plus b cos theta. So what you have when you substitute cos theta is equal to minus 1. So this is a minus b less than or equal to r. Maximum value is 1. Substitute cos theta as equal to 1. So this is a plus b. So again you got the same region, right? Let's try to draw the diagram. This is 0, this is theta is equal to 0, this is theta is equal to pi by 2, theta is equal to pi, right? Like we did in the previous case, I'll just roughly draw the angle lines, 30, 45, then 60, then 120, 135 and 150, like this, right? Firstly the value was e plus b, then the second one value is dropping constantly, right? Right, and at cos inverse of minus a by b it is becoming 0, right? You are appearing up to this point, correct? Now at point pi it becomes a minus b. Now note that what is a is less than b, this is the given condition, so a minus b is less than 0. How to represent the negative number? Note that, say when you have say 45 angle and say you have distance 2, r is equal to 2, so you represent like this. But if you have minus 2 distance, then you go in the opposite direction. Yes or no? So the same thing I'm going to apply here. In the opposite direction, say just back and side of this, there is somewhere this point, say a minus b. So the loop is going to be somewhere, this point is say a minus b, loop is going to be like this. So this is in the back side, right? So loop is going to be like this. The point will be here, and since it is symmetric, I am joining this part also, right? And join this point. So you are getting this loop, and continue like this. Because of symmetry, you need to join this, right? So this is the loop at a minus b. Loop at a minus b. Correct? So this is the next case. Okay, I'll just repeat this thing why I did this. When you have positive distance, you draw it like this. When you have negative distance, you continue in the negative side, that is in the opposite side of this part, right? The same thing I'm doing here. I'm just continuing in the opposite side. Okay, so that's why the loop comes here. Okay? And that's it.